Hi everyone, welcome to North Campus Essential Calculus Problem Series. In this series, we solve important calculus problems step by step, making sure every concept is clear and easy to follow. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Today, our integral is cosine to the power of 4x dx. And let's write the integral again. The integral of cosine to the power of 4x dx. I will write that integral as cosine square of x square dx. And after that, we will use an equation. We know that cosine of 2x is equal to cosine square of x minus sine square of x. But here I need cosine square of x. For that I will write 1 minus cosine square of x instead of sine square of x. 1 minus cosine square of x. How do I write it? You know the equation cosine square of x plus sine square of x is equal to 1. So for sine square of x, I can write 1 and take this cosine square to the other side, 1 minus cosine square of x. So I can write 1 minus cosine square of x instead of sine square of x. Then the equation becomes cosine 2x equals to cosine square of x minus 1 plus cosine square of x, and that's equal to 2 cosine square of x minus 1. And take this one here, cosine 2x plus 1 equals to 2 times cosine square of x. Then this means that cosine square of x is equal to 1 plus cosine 2x over 2. And then here in the integral part, for cosine square of x, we will write 1 plus cosine 2x over 2 and then integrate it. Let's write the integral again. 1 plus cosine 2x over 2 square of dx. Then this is equal to square of 1 plus cosine 2x, and this part will be 4. Then the integral becomes this. Since this is a constant, I can take it outside of the integral. So the integral becomes 1 over 4 times square of 1 plus cosine 2x dx. And this will be equal to 1 over 4 times square of cosine 2x square plus 2 times cosine 2x times 1 plus 1 dx. Then I will separate these parts. Then this will be 1 over 4 times integral of cosine square of 2x dx plus 1 over 4 times 2 times cosine 2x, and this is equal to 1 over 2 times 1 over 4 times 2 is equal to 1 over 2. Then integral of cosine 2x dx and plus 1 over 4 times 1 is equal to 1 over 4, and this will be equal to 1 over 4 times 1 dx, and this is dx. Here we will use again the equation of cosine 2x. Cosine square of x was equal to 1 plus cosine 2x over 2. Then cosine square of 2x will be equal to 1 plus cosine 4x over 2. Then I will write here 1 plus cosine 4x over 2. Why are we doing this? Because if cosine x has any power, we cannot integrate it. So in order to integrate cosine x, we need to reduce its power. If the power of cosine x is even 2, 4, 6, etc., we always use this equation to reduce the power, and we say reduction to it. Okay, the integral becomes 1 over 4 times, we have here 1 over 4, 2 again, and let's take it to outside, 1 over 2 times the integral 1 plus cosine 4x dx. And let's take the other part below. These are the same. And then the integral becomes 1 over 4 times 1 over 2 is 1 over 8. Then 1 over 8. Let's separate these integral parts. And I will first write cosine 4x. 1 over 8 times integral of cosine 4x dx plus 1 over 8 times 1 dx, then this is just dx, plus 1 over 2 times integral of cosine 2x dx plus 1 over 4 times integral of dx. Then let's see. The integral of cosine 4x. Let's take it here. I will take the integral of cosine 4x. Actually, this is easy, but I will use substitution here and will show you. To integrate this, you can say just this is 1 over 4 sine 4x, but I will again show you the substitution method. 4x is equal to u, then 4 times dx will be du, and this means that dx is equal to 1 over 4 times du. Then for this integral cosine 4x, I will say cosine u times 1 over 4 du instead of dx, 1 over 4 du. Then the integral becomes 1 over 4 integral of cosine u du. And integral of cosine is sine, then 1 over 4 sine u. And this is equal to 1 over 4. Since we said 4x equals to u, we will say that sine of 4x. Then integral of cosine 4x is 1 over 4 sine 4x. If you use the same method, the integral of cosine 2x will come 1 over 2 times sine of 2x. So let's take this here and integrate 1 over 8 times 1 over 4 times sine 4x plus 1 over 8 times 1 over 8 times the integral becomes x here, and 1 over 2 times the integral of cosine 2x is 1 over 2 times sine 2x, and 1 over 4 times the integral of dx is x. Then the answer will be 1 over 4 times 1 over 8 times 1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 32 times sine of 4x. And I will write this part, 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 is 1 over 4 times sine of 2x, and plus 1 over 8x plus 1 over 4x. If we add them, 3 over 8x, 3 over 8x, and since this is an indefinite integral, we add a constant c. The answer will be that. See you on the next video.